Hello Internet world, welcome to my review of the Fosi Audio ZA3 balanced stereo amplifier. This was very kindly sent in to me free of charge by the manufacturer. No money's changed hands, they haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm purely sharing this review with you so that you can make an informed buying decision. So let's start by taking a look at the box contents. We get a ZA3 user manual. This is going to guide you through all the connections and how to set things up. We also get a country specific power cable. Now this is a 3-pin UK power cable with a figure 8 connector on this end. If you're buying this in another country, you'll get a country specific power cable inside the box. And then we get this really big 48 volt power supply. This is multi-voltage. If I just turn this over, you'll see it is 100 to 240 volts. And it comes with an integrated cable with a barrel type connector on this end, which is going to go into the ZA3 amp. Then on this end of the power supply, we've got that connection for the power cable. And then this is the ZA3 itself. This is absolutely superb. I'm going to give you a closer look at this in a short while, but before I do so, I just want to tell you a little bit about the power output. Now, if you're using this as a stereo amp, you're going to get up to 180 watts of power output from this. That is absolutely phenomenal. But you can also pair units together. So you could use this as a mono power amp if you get a second one. And then you get a maximum of up to 235 watts. That is absolutely fantastic. Really high power and very, very high quality when it comes to build as well. It uses audiophile grade components and it features the TPA 3255 high-end Class D amp chip, and it is just such a really nice quiet, when I say quiet I mean quiet noise ratio amplifier. It's absolutely stunning in its design, full metal enclosure, really nice cutouts on the side which not only aid with heat dissipation, but we've also got this sort of orangey copper colour inside reflected on the volume control as well. Just looks like a really nice design. It's got a nice shape to it as well. We've got rubberized feet on the bottom, and then if we take a look around the back, this is all of the connections. So we've got an XLR input for your left and right channels. We've got RCA in as well. We've got subwoofer out. We've got the terminals for your speaker outputs, 12 volt trigger in, and also the input for that power supply. Really nicely laid out array of ports on the back of the unit. Then if we look around the front, I love these tactile switches. Oh, it's just so satisfying, the click when you use these. So we can switch between the XLR and RCA inputs. We've also got the power button on the volume control, so this acts as a button as well. Little LED light on the front, really nice smooth volume control. And then we've got the mono and stereo switch on this side here. It sounds phenomenal. It drives speakers so well. It's got so much power under the hood in this. And as I mentioned earlier, signal to noise ratio, very good. The actual clarity that this outputs has got a nice wide expansive soundstage. It drives things with such ease, and you've got that massive power output, as I mentioned earlier, up to 180 watts in stereo mode. Pair this with another one up to 235 watts. Exceptional value for money as well. This is the Fosi Audio ZA3. If you want to pick up one of these for yourself, check out the links down in the video description. If you enjoyed my video, please do hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in another one very soon.